Hey everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here from Ramsey, Minnesota with a Cedar roof cleaning job today. Today we're soft washing the Cedar roof. We're going to restore it back to its original golden, beautiful color. This is a before video. We've also taken pictures from the same spot. We're going to try to incorporate the before and after pictures from this spot and the before and after video from this spot. We're just going to showcase the front of this house. The back of the house is very hard to see from any angle in the yard, so it really won't tell you a lot. But the back of this roof is pretty high, and there's a lower area of the garage that's pretty low and hard to see as well. But again, this is Jesse with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you here with a soft wash Cedar roof cleaning job here in Ramsey, Minnesota. We've been doing this a long time. I was a roofer my whole life. If you have any roofs that need repairs or need any issues fixed before the cleaning or after the cleaning, we can definitely do that for you as well. Again, Jesse with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, 612-919-4185, and this is a before video.